Sa nanay niyo, oh.
Saan kaya ako?
Hoy.
No, dyan.
Do, dito.
Market.
Oh. Go put your coin in there.
Get na.
Oh, ayun na yun. You can get it.
Why I have to? Oh, get my knife. Hala, it's broken. Hala.
Bubble gum, ha?
Ayun na.
Ilan? What a clue! Yay! I have 3. Oh.
Go, tara na. Let's go. Are you done? Ha? Hi. Let's go.
Ulit 5, ma'am. Para may 5 na rin dito. Oh, excuse mo na.
Excuse.
Ikaw, makulit ka na ka.
Excuse.
Thank you.
Don't run, ah.